Hi, ma'am and sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. I'm a Princess Baldos. I'm 45 years old and I'm fourth year high school graduate. I have a one children daughter. She already 14 years old and I'm a single mother. I have a working experience as domestic helper. The country is Taiwan, Hong Kong, Singapore, Nanjing, China, Shanghai, China, Malaysia, Johor Bahru, Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur. 2 years contract and finish contract. And as my experience, I have experience to work, care of babies, care of children, care of elderly, care of bedridden, care of disabled, care of pet, and household working, car washing, gardening, cooking. And I know how to cook the Chinese food, like example fish steam and sweet and sour. And ma'am, sir, I'm willing to work with you family as a good helper. God bless and thank you so much, ma'am and sir.